David from the Energy Corridor has a question about moisture levels.
Yeah, it's popped up after the Harvey rebuild, Tom. David writes, we rebuilt nearly everything, sheetrock, insulation, plumbing, everything. Now we've discovered high moisture readings in our floors after we had somebody do a leak detection. They suspected a leak. So we have engineered hardwood floors in the living areas and ceramic tiles in the kitchen and baths with effervescence coming up in the master bath. So David wants to know your advice on a fix for this.
I don't know where the moisture's coming from, but I suspect if it's not plumbing, if it's nothing that's obvious that you have any kind of a water leak, like a roof leak or window leaks or things like that, that it's going to be drainage around the house. And drainage has changed a lot since Hurricane Harvey and all the subsequent rains we've had and the high water levels we've had lately. So the ground is moving, things are shifting. I would take a good look at your drainage because a lot of the times when you get new floor coverings, they find high moisture contents. It's because of the fact that the drainage is not working properly and it has to be rethunk, to say the least.
Sure, especially in the energy corridor. As I hear Danny on the Garden Pros talk about compaction, and we've seen a lot of that where the rain has just beat the earth down. And
not only that, you had so much water just sitting there, like the bottom of a lake. For a little while, a week or two at least, I think it was.
Lovely Energy Corridor Lake. It's where we live.
Okay.
All right. You got a question? Go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. You'll find it right there on the homepage. Click on the Ask Tom. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.